Small man. Little man. Little man. Small man. I dropped a crumb for you, small man. Hey, how's it going? Want to see that this thing. Come on. Try again now. Small man, I'm trying to make everyone happy. There's a new man. Hey, new men. New men. Oh, Jesus. I think I've made a mistake. Here. How about this? For the best man, it goes. Yeah. Small man. Jesus Christ. How's it going? Oh no. I made a huge mistake. Oh no. Oh, I don't have enough to feed you all. Oh no, I'm so sorry. Here, there's like crumbs up. Oh no. What have I done? What have I done? I don't have enough to feed you all. I'm so sorry. No, I love your company, but I can't do anything for you guys. Oh, thank you. Oh no. Hi. Hey, pretty. Oh, you're so pretty. Hey. What have I done? What have I done? I don't know what I've done. Oh no. Jeez. They're all around me. All around me. Okay, this is my first lesson, having been in New York for fucking 5 years or some shit. When they say do not feed the pigeons and shit, please do not feed the pigeons, because then they will take advantage. Oh my goodness gracious, but I'm in heaven. There's so many friends. I have so many friends. This is the most friends I've ever had in my life. I got bored and went away. Come back over, small man. Small man. At least you won't leave me. How's it going? Plot twist. A fucking seagull is here now. I can't imagine he's like, hey, give me that bread, but I mean, they go where the parties are, the seagulls are. 2 of them. 2 of them. And so ends our adventure with birds. I hope you have learned a valuable lesson. Goodbye.